Hello, and thank you for joining this tutorial. Today, I will guide you step by step on how to enable the Confirm Each Move feature in the Chess.com app on your phone. This setting helps prevent accidental moves during live games by requiring confirmation before each move is finalized. First, open the Chess.com app on your Android phone. Tap on the More option at the bottom right corner. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Next, tap on Play to access gameplay-related options. Now, choose Live Games to access Live Play settings. Finally, toggle the Confirm Each Move option to turn it on. Enabling this feature will give you an extra layer of control during your live matches, reducing mistakes caused by accidental taps. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you enjoy your chess.com experience even more. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.